Are you looking for the best infrared heater? If so, this video is for you. We'll go over the top infrared space heaters that can keep you cozy and warm all winter long. So keep watching. If you want the best heater with an infrared light, then the following recommendations are going to be your top choices. What makes these the best infrared space heaters available is that they offer a good balance between heat output, user features, and price. That means you're getting an efficient unit that's easy to operate as well as a good deal. As always, you'll find links for these heaters and more in the description below, so just choose the one that's right for you. Now, let's get started. Number 1 is by Dr. Infrared. It's the most popular infrared space heater out there right now. It uses 100% of the heat produced, and because it has a fan to distribute the warmth, it's 60% more efficient at heating a room than other models. It can also be upgraded to include a humidifier, which is good for anyone with dry skin during the winter. Plus, it heats large rooms up to 1,000 square feet. Number 2 is by HeatStorm. This unit can be wall-mounted or stand on the floor. It also includes a digital display and remote control. The best part, however, is the advanced HMS technology that ensures the humidity and oxygen levels in the room aren't reduced while it's heating. This keeps the air from drying out. It heats rooms up to 750 square feet. Number 3 is by LifeSmart. This is a top energy saver unit. The Eco mode balances power usage to save on electricity while perfectly maintaining the set temperature. Another standout feature is the dual timer option that can be used to turn the unit on or off up to 12 hours ahead of time. It handles 1,500 square feet and is the best infrared heater for the largest rooms. Now, if you have any questions about these heaters, leave a comment below, and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching!